Welcome back to SWAM course on design thinking and innovation. This is week 15. We are looking at the tool section and how to create a business model, that to an innovative business model. So, it is section T15, week 15. How to create an innovative business model. An innovative business model is a very high level strategic plan and a structure for creating and sustaining an innovative organization. So, it actually looks at all the components of the organization and puts it together. Here in this section, we look at all the points that are important to create an innovative business organization. First, start with the name of the proposed company. What are its key activities? Followed by vision and mission. Vision is what would you like the company to do, and mission is how would the company do it. Team members along with the expertise, also expert advice and mentors for your organization, as well as who would you like to be the key partners. Okay, so, name, key activities, vision and mission, team members, mentors or expert advisors and key partners. So, let us look at what is the problem statement or the list top problems that are being solved by your organization. Again, list key opportunities for business that you have and the solutions that you have thought of. Okay. So, these are all lists, and what are the deliverables to the customer, what are the differentiating factors that you offer as your solution, and how would you position your organization. Okay, so, problem statement, opportunities, solutions, what are the deliverables, differentiators and positioning. So, let us look at what are the key resources that you need for your organization. It could be physical, finance, property, intellectual or human. What are the revenue streams? Okay, how you are going to generate funds for your company? Is it through sales, subscriptions, honorarium, consultancy, renting or licensing? What are the cost structures? Are there fixed costs or variable cost? What are the issues with intellectual property rights? Is it open source, Creative Commons, or do you want to patent it? Okay, who are your customers? Who are your primary customers and the secondary customers? What are the channels through which you can actually reach the customers, and what are your future plans, especially in terms of technology, materials and the media. So, again, key resources, revenue streams, cost structure, IPR, customer segment, channels and future plans. So, we talked a lot of these points. You have to put all these in terms of points. Okay. So, it kind of puts together all the things that are essential for forming an innovative business organization. Okay. And you can put it together in one canvas, all these points, and again as keywords. Okay. So, in a Jeffy you can get an overview picture of what your organization is like. We will move on to SWOT and SOAR analysis. As we saw in the previous section, is to do with strengths, weaknesses, opportunities and threats, and you look at it as soon as you put it into this 2 by 2 grid, okay, into the 4 quadrants. Okay, it helps you in taking decisions and improve your performances. Okay, and vertically, strengths and opportunities are helpful for your organization. Weaknesses and threats, you have to be careful because they could be harmful to your organization. Okay, strengths and weaknesses horizontally are internal to your organization, whereas opportunities and threats horizontally are external to your organization. Let us look at each one of them. Strength means what is uniqueness, advantages and what works well for your organization. Weaknesses is what to improve, what are the gaps in skills and expertise, and what are the limitations. Opportunities are market gaps, customer needs and value propositions. Threats are competition, new markets, technology and changing markets. Okay. So, these you can put down in terms of points. So now we will move on to SOAR analysis. SOAR, if you look at it, strengths and opportunities are common with the SWOT analysis. Aspirations, results are the two factors that we have added here. Horizontally, strengths and opportunities look at the present, whereas aspirations, result actually look at the future. And strength and aspirations vertically are internal to your organization, whereas opportunities and results are external to your organization. So again, SOAR analysis helps in taking decisions for the present as well as the future. You will be able to compare them and putting them in a 2x2 grid, excellent, because you can compare and make analysis. Okay, so let us look at the details. Strengths and weaknesses are the same as SWOT analysis. Aspirations, which has to do with future plans, vision and mission, making a difference, and inspirations. And results are achievements, setting goals, tracking progress across a period of time and improving performance. Right. So, these are again simple points, again put together in a 4x4 matrix or 2x2 matrix with 4 quadrants, will be excellent for you to compare different features of your organizations as well as analyze it. So, let us move on to pitch level presentation, which is actually a high level presentation of your innovative business model. In a very summarized manner, you kind of tell what your company is, what are the opportunities, what are the products, the services that are being offered, and what are your future plans. Okay, extremely good for convincing potential investors or getting partnerships or building as an introduction to your organization itself. Okay, so let us summarize it. We started with how to create a business model and make a canvas. SWOT and SOAR analysis, again very important to get a feel of what your company is, also very good for comparing and analyzing factors here, and how to do a pitch presentation. So, thanks again listening to T15 week 15. So, if you look at the course, we started with the process, business model, SWOT and SOAR analysis and business pitch. We looked at the tools where we did this in a lot more detail, and we will apply it in the project, followed by an expert discourse.